sound like a baby goat calling for its mother. Damn it. Okay. Welcome to our channel, Kiss Crazy. Today, you're gonna be watching me randomly hiccup in a store and, you know, whatever we're doing, because it just happened. So, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this video. Yeah! God. Some dusty gum. Dusty gum. Oh, hello. I'm in the way of life. Do you want to move? I'm having the hiccups. Okay. It's an okay. Okay, ma'am. Just continue on recording yourself. I can pop it. Let's get a little closer here. This is our third one.
overdoing it. I knew you were, but it actually happened. I make sure to get the big one.
My nose itches.
My 15? That's it? Wow, we're good. We're good. How much do you need over the budget?
Nice, nice, nice.
You can take up the Oh, were you not talking to me?
Oh, now it's nice. I think I was better with the mask on. Hold on.
Can't hear anything with the mask on.
She can. Get an overview. And then... Want to get people on the camera now. Damn. That old man gave I don't know.
He was creepy as fuck. Even I felt uncomfortable. He just came up too close and was like,
Hello, and we're like, oh.
hi. Motherfucker. Doesn't happen to have people like that.
Have to go King Kong on you.
Exactly. And then like it was weird because he like went and he looked down. I was like, bro, that's not the direction to be looking. You're probably not meant to get off creepy vibes, but you gave off creepy ass vibes. Creepy.
Mom, you're ready. Mask, mask. Yeah. Oh, that was terrible.
Yes, it was.
Terrible. Thank you. No, don't want to get cars up in there either. No license plate.
Alright.
You get the underview of me. It's beautiful.
Alright.
I didn't know there's people next to us. Oh, the door's unlocked. Imagine. Alright. Oh well. Better move. Alright. World just said hiccup. Let's see, can I do it like this? No.
I looked through all of those aisles. None of them had a ton of here. Where did you find it? It was like right behind the drinks.
Hopefully the phone stays balanced like that. If she stops moving.
Oh, there was a creepy guy giving up creepy vibes.
I think that's the only way he can look is down.
He has a creepy car. It's not gonna be much longer.
I mean, it's true, but so. Hey guys, thanks for watching me hiccup. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I told you from the beginning, thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, all that fun jazz, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. All right, peace.